All right. So this morning we're going to talk about the power rule. And again, recall, if I move it here, the power rule is this, right? If you want to take the derivative, d dx, that's the derivative of something of x to the n, the exponent becomes the coefficient, and we reduce the exponent by 1. And through all our practice with the definition of derivative, we've learned that, it reduces by a limit. So I'm going to put that up here, and I'm going to work through these answers, all right? First thing I do then, since it has to be n, is I write these all as exponents and coefficients. And now it becomes easy. The power up top comes to the coefficient, so I get f prime of x, then it becomes 1/2 x. And then if I take this minus 1, right, and I reduce the power by 1, all right, I get negative half. Negative half times negative 3 here on the second term, I get positive 3/2. Take 1 away from negative half, I get negative 3/2. So there's a derivative, I'm done. There's quadrant 1. Quadrant 2, again, first step is to get it all reduced to this. Now the power of negative 8 times 4, I want negative 32. And here's the big mistake. Negative 8 minus 1 is negative 9. Right? A lot of students accidentally make it negative 7. Awesome. One right. 4x cubed minus 3x to the 7/2. And again, we multiply the exponent times the coefficient. How about 12x squared minus 7/2, 21/2, x to the 5/2. And the last one, capital F of x. If I bring it to the top, and I do it, everybody, I did two things in the same step. I brought the thing to the top. Now f prime is negative 8/3 x to the negative 7/3. All right, I got 4 more. Let's try 4 more. All right, so we got 4 more examples here, and I'm just going to fly through. If you pause the video, you can practice them. Again, these are all power rules. First one's pretty easy. Negative 2 times 8, how about negative 16x7? Boom. Probably should have started with these 4 first, but here's a mistake I keep seeing. First thing we have to do is simplify this. This becomes 1/8 half cubed x cubed. Now we do the power rule. F prime of x equals, how about 3/8 x squared? All right. On this one, again, on the quadrant 3, we better reduce it. I think it's x squared. When you reduce it, I think h prime is just 2x. All right. And the last one. All right. If you start pulling the exponent down, I'm going to kick you because this is just a constant cube. Derivative of a constant is always 0. All right. So, again, these take practice. There's nothing natural about them. It's good practice here, so this is practice of the power rule. And again, the power rule on the previous page is this right. I don't know. Here, let's move down the page so you can read it. That is the power rule, and you have to be able to apply it a lot. Go Tabby.